Oh my god. Guys, if you wanna do this, don't... Hey guys, Jane... Hey guys, Jane here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys is I will be reviewing a makeup product. Gusto nyo yun? I'll be reviewing a makeup product na sinan ng SKYEPIFY. Ayan. Thank you so much to SKYEPIFY for sending all of these products and I'll be showing it with you shortly, but ayan, I just wanna thank SKYEPIFY for sending these products. So of course, honest opinion, honest review is all you need. So ayan guys, all links and accounts of SKYEPIFY, I'll be linking it down below, so go check it out. But you may ask kung anong mga products nila since hindi ko pa siya in-introduce. So ayan, I will introduce it to you. Nasa likod ko lang. Tada! So ayan siya guys, box siya. May ribbon to eh, but tinanggal ko na. Ang cute niya kasi black and pink. So black pink. So ayan, they have cards. Tada! Ayan, ito yung magnetic lashes nila guys with the magnetic eyeliner and stainless steel applicator. And of course guys, meron silang pinadala na eyelash curler. Ayan, yung packaging naman ng eyelash curler nandito pa. Hindi ko pa talaga siya tinapon. Ayan, ito yung packaging ng eyelash curler nila. Ito yung inuna ko talagang gamitin. Ayan, ang ganda niya kasi at saka ano siya, lightweight. This is the SKYEPIFY eyelash curler. Ayan, pink. Ang cute! Black pink. And so far, ito na yung gagamitin ko talaga always. Alam niyo ba, nag-curl ako ng lashes before ko matulog. Kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga yung eyelash curler nila. Like, naka-curl siya ng lashes ko. And kahit walang product or kahit walang mascara, it lasts long talaga. And ayun, curl muna tayo ng lashes. Tapos may free rubber pa siya dito guys. In case na masira ito or something, is may replacement kayo. Oh, diba? Bongga. May curl ng lashes. So ayan, wala lang. Nag-curl na ako ng lashes. So ayan, the most exciting part is their magnetic lashes. Ayan. May tatlong style sila. Ayan, these are their magnetic lashes. Ayan. Zia, and then Zella. Ayan, Zella. And this is their limited edition. Ang bongga! Ito yung SKYEPIFY na Instagram account. If hindi ka pa nakakapag-try ng magnetic lashes, then they have instructions at the back. So, ito yung style na Zia. And this is what it looks like. Yung lashes talaga is parang totoo. So, Zia and Zella. Ayan. So, as you can see naman, this is more of a parang dramatic than Zia. So, si limited edition naman, ito yung pinakabongga na style talaga. Limited edition. Ayan. This is Zella, tapos this is limited edition. Ayan. Ang ganda sis. So, of course, we will be trying all of these styles. Among all the steps sa makeup is ayoko talaga ng lashes kasi parang makati siya and parang mabigat siya sa feeling, ganun. So, ayoko ng ganun, guys. And let's try this magnetic lashes, diba? This is a new experience. So, of course, if you bought magnetic lashes, so you also purchase magnetic eyeliner. So, ito yung magiging parang glue niya, replacement or substitute ng eyelash glue. Ang nipis talaga, pero ano siya guys be careful kasi brush tip siya. Ayan, if hindi ka mahilig mag-brush tip, then you should practice. Ang nipis lang niya, in fairness. Hindi ko muna kayo chichikahin guys kasi critical yung part na to. Bakit nag-curl ng eyelashes? Oh my god. Guys, if you wanna do this, don't curl your lashes in advance. Buko man din. Ano curl na ako ang lashes? I'll just fix this guys. And I'll be back. Kasi uminit na siya guys and natural lighting na yung gamit ko. Then guys, as you can see, eyeliner is on and honestly, I was struggling this part kasi naka-curl na yung lashes ko and it kept on getting on the lashes and I kept on removing the eyeliner na it gets on my lashes and ayan, nag-struggle ako dito na part sa eye but in here, easy na easy talaga. So, lesson learned guys, don't curl your lashes in advance kasi mahirap talaga siyang i-apply yung eyeliner. And I'll be trying Zia, ayan. Ito yung style na Zia. Ay, limited edition pala to. So let's get it using the applicator. Waving. Ooh! Ooh! It's sticking. Oh, look. I mean, ang easy niyang i-apply, guys. Ayan, oh. Like, pero ang laki niya. Mas malaki siya sa mukha ko or sa... Mas malaki siya sa mata ko, in fairness. Pwede pa to. I think pwede naman i-cut, no? Dito naman siya. So, we can cut it. Ang so yung pag-i-cut. Okay, let's try again. Better. Okay, kana. Okay na. Okay, I know what to do on the other side na. So, medyo malaki lang ito sa eye ko. So, I just have to trim it. Ayan, trim na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kadali i-apply. Ayan. And bam! 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 I will be right back, guys, kasi magbe-makeup tayo. Full. So, ayan, guys, nakapag-curl na tayo ng konti, tapos eyeshadow lang ng konti, ganun. Ayan, oh, ang hirap niyang tanggalin na yan, oh. Ayan, you can still use this, I think, mga 10 times, ganun. So, ayan ang bongga. Ayan, tapos na. Gusto ko to. Winner. Wala nang sunlight, guys. So, that's it, guys, sa mga try-on ng mga magnetic lashes from SKYEPIFY. If may nagustuhan kayong isang style or maybe all of them, and you can go visit at SKYEPIFY sa Instagram. Ang ganda niya, and ano lang siya, boom, bada, boom, boom. The only thing is, dapat niyo siyang practicein talaga, especially sa eyeliner. Pero yung sa akin lang is, medyo malaki siya sa face ko. Kasi maliit yung face ko, guys, and medyo nalakihan ako sa lashes niya. But all in all, it's great. Excellent quality, and the packaging is nice. And anyways, that's it for this video, and that's it for this try-on. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And click the bell button beside the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post a new video. So, see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye! Diba?